You want this for a year? Or do you want this for a year? You tell me. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to get from this to this. Look at the damage from this. So this is a continuation from my other video where I blacked out the inside of the lens. Now I'm going to work on the outside. We're going to use the Meguiar's Headlight Restoration Kit. Okay, first thing you want to do in this tutorial, remove any gunk and debris on the headlight. I like to use glue gun because there might be just some like sticky stuff here, here and there. Okay guys, so just look at the difference. That's how the customer gave the lights to me, and that's how I'm going to return it. Huge difference with this restoration kit. Let me go open this up and let me show you what contents are. So we got some sanding paper, 1000 and 3000. It's so cool. You can just like stick it on right here and then just scratch the surface. A applicator pad. We got some buffing compound. Here's a buffing pad that you can attach to a drill. And lastly, we got this. This is your headlight coating. This is like your UV protection. This will last you about a year, hopefully more. So take 1000 grit sandpaper, put it together just like that, yeah? We're gonna wet sand this. Right over here. And you want to go horizontally, so side to side. Make sure you constantly wet it. You want to continue doing this until the surface is super smooth and you feel no resistance. Then you can dry it off. This is so smooth, it's crazy. Looks a lot better than we started off, right? Take this off. Now you want to use your 3000 disc. Step number 2, we're wetting the 3000 grit sandpaper. Then we're going to wet the surface, and this time we're going to go in a vertical motion. So it's going to be up and down. You want to continue doing this until the surface is super smooth and you feel no resistance. Then you can dry it off. This looks wrecked beyond repair. Let's go on to step number 3. This is hopefully going to restore it. This is the Plastix. This is your buffing compound. Get your drill. That looks so slow. I like to do a line like that. Yeah? With the polisher, you want to dab it around the lens, and then with the low speed setting on your drill, you want to spread it around so everything is covered. Now you want to use the max setting on your drill and take your time. This part will take a little bit longer than the first part, but once you have everything done, you're going to start noticing the lens is much clearer now. This thing is like falling apart. I happened to do 3 passes and this is not bad. You just want to wipe it down just off the surface. You're going to take your applicator pad and we're going to take this headlight coating. Just going to pour some on the applicator pad and wipe it down a couple times and then let it cure for 24 hours. It's that simple. See, in this video we go from this crap to that. That ain't bad, guys. It looks so clean and so crisp. Now, here's the final results for both. Keep in mind, results are gonna vary. Oh man, it's so beautiful, like you could actually see the blackout and everything that was done in the inside. This one looks like it's not even from a 2008, 2009 WRX. So a car that's like, what, 12 years on the road? Anyways guys, thanks for watching. I'll see you guys next time. Peace!